Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X this week, which was published exactly 1 week ago on June 9, 2026, takes on the challenge of aligning generative AI models using reinforcement learning. This paper is titled Flow-DPPO, Divergence Proximal Policy Optimization for Flow Matching Models. These flow matching models, which generate images or videos by gradually shifting random noise into structured data, often suffer from extreme training instability during reinforcement learning. To solve this, the authors introduce a method that achieves a massive jump in aligning models to multiple rewards, scoring 58% compared to only 47% with previous techniques. As we will see, the secret lies in replacing noisy approximations with a surprisingly simple, exact mathematical constraint that keeps the training perfectly on track. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates how these mathematical improvements translate to visual quality. The leftmost column shows the base Flux 1 dev model, which generates high-quality images but struggles with complex compositional prompts. While the baseline alignment methods in the middle columns often suffer from severe image degradation or fail to render the correct number of objects, the new Flow-DPPO method, on the far right, achieves exceptional alignment to the prompts while maintaining remarkably clean, high-fidelity visual details. Alright, Figure 2 highlights this training stability and the prevention of catastrophic forgetting, which is when a model learns a new skill but completely loses its prior knowledge. The first plot shows that Flow-DPPO achieves the highest score on the target task. Meanwhile, the other three plots show that while baseline methods quickly degrade on out-of-domain benchmarks, the proposed approach maintains high performance across all tasks without collapsing. Table 1 presents the detailed performance comparison across different model architectures using multi-reward reinforcement learning fine-tuning. In the middle section, which highlights Stable Diffusion 3.5, the Flow-DPPO variants achieve a GenEval 2 score of up to nearly 52%, outperforming the standard baselines. Similarly, the bottom section shows that on the larger Flux 2 model, Flow-DPPO reaches a top score of nearly 58%, demonstrating that this divergence constraint scales exceptionally well to larger systems. Table 2 provides the exact numbers for Kullback-Leibler divergence, which measures how far the fine-tuned model drifts from its original state. Under the Flow SDE schedule on Flux 29B Flow, DPPO achieves a divergence of just 0.17, which is significantly lower than the baselines. This smaller drift across both Flux 29B and Stable Diffusion 3.5 confirms that the divergence constraint successfully prevents the model from forgetting its original capabilities. Figure 6 showcases a qualitative comparison of Flux 29B under in-domain and out-of-domain conditions. In the top half, covering the in-domain prompts, Flow-DPPO accurately generates difficult compositional scenes, like the stone pig with 6 yellow horses. But the real difference is in the bottom half, where out-of-domain prompts are tested. The baselines generate highly distorted or simplified images, while the proposed methods preserve the stunning visual details of the base model. Table 3 compiles these quantitative results using the General Eval 2 text to image alignment benchmark. Looking at the Flux 29B column, the proposed Flow-DPPO combined with coefficients preserving sampling achieves a high score of 93% on the single reward task. In the multi-reward settings, which are historically much harder to optimize, Flow-DPPO and its combined variant consistently outperform the baselines. These results demonstrate that the exact divergence constraint remains highly effective, even with multiple conflicting training objectives. Flow divergence proximal policy optimization demonstrates that using an exact, deterministic divergence constraint instead of noisy approximations unlocks stable and highly effective reinforcement learning for flow matching models. This advancement paves the way for safer, more aligned generative media models. And that's a wrap. I'm Alex from the AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.